Think you know the butterfly effect, but do you know how it affects your confidence? A butterfly flaps its wings in Brazil and causes a tornado in Texas. Is that true? North American theoretical meteorologist Edward Lorenz found something strange while studying weather patterns. In 1961, Lorenz was running a numerical computer model to redo a weather prediction he had currently been working on. Lorenz left the room and walked down the hall to get a cup of coffee. He entered the initial condition 0.506 from a printout instead of entering the full precision 0.506,127. So he was making a rounding just to be quicker with it because he was in a hurry. When he returned, the result was a completely different weather scenario. The computer had simulated months into the future. Due to a very small numerical rounding in his equation, the differences more or less steadily doubled in size every 4 days or so until all resemblance of the original output disappeared somewhere in the second month. What Lorenz accidentally discovered was that the smallest of occurrences in one area can lead to a domino effect in another. Hence, the butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil can increase weather patterns to the point that it becomes a tornado by the time it reaches Texas. Lorenz called this the essence of chaos. There's something beautiful in that title, right? The essence of chaos. Life can be very chaotic, it can be very daunting. But if we knew that even the smallest boost of confidence today, and a word of encouragement someone gives us, and a small task accomplished, and seeing your children smile, even the slightest of positive occurrences can lead to long term joy. Sure, you can look at it from the other side of the coin as well. A negative ripple effect can create an earthquake in your entire life. Or, as I like to do, you can look at it, even the negatives in your day will eventually come together to lead you to a greater positive. The butterfly effect is a great confidence boost reminder that what you are doing today, as insignificant and small as it might seem, can absolutely lead you to your goals and the life you have dreamed of living. So gain confidence today in knowing that small, little, insignificant things today can create massive ripple effects in the future. What are these little 1% steps you're taking daily? Don't be get discouraged if you're not seeing results from them. Know that you are planting these seeds for the redwood's growth later, and that butterfly's wings flapping in Brazil can cause a tornado in Texas.